Hello, my name is Julian Busch from China Certification. Do you want to export products to China? Then you might need the CCC certification. The CCC certification is mandatory for many products, especially home appliances. The certificate is issued to individual factories and products. The entire production process will be evaluated. Your product will need to be tested in China, and the tests are conducted according to GB standards. These standards are largely based on international standards. The certification process is being governed by the implementation rules and includes the following steps: the application in China, product tests in China, a factory inspection, and after issuing the CCC certificate, the marking of the product. Annual follow-up tests and factory inspections need to be conducted. During the factory inspection, an auditor will check the quality management system, and product changes of any kind need to be approved in advance. The certificate will be valid for 5 years. The process of certification can be challenging and complex. It requires an efficient communication and excellent contacts in China and a well preparation. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.